How to fix a BSOD, blue screen of death, in Windows. The very first thing you need to do to fix a BSOD is check the crash log, identify the error code, find out its causes, and identify the solutions. To do that, open the event viewer, expand Windows logs, and select System under it. On the right, look for an entry that reads Bug Check under the source column. Once you have found the crash log, try to gather as much information as possible. If the log doesn't say much, copy the error code listed here and search for it on the web. Now, go to Microsoft's official website from the search results. In my case, the bug check is critical process died. And here, go through the information. It will list everything about the error code, from the underlying causes to the possible solutions. You can use this information to fix the blue screen. Right-click on the Windows icon in the taskbar and select Device Manager. Next, expand the Display Adapters entry, right-click on the Graphics adapter, and select Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers. Now, wait for Windows to install the latest locally available driver version. Right-click on the Graphics adapter and select Properties. Go to the Driver tab and click on Rollback Driver. Now, pick a reason for rolling back the driver update and click Yes. The screen will go black for a few seconds while the driver rollback is underway. Once the display is back on, the driver rollback should be complete. To verify this, check whether the rollback driver button is now grayed out. Press Windows and S to open search, type Command Prompt, and click on Run as administrator. Click Yes in the prompt. In the command prompt, type sfc/scan now and hit Enter. You can copy the command from the video's description. Windows will now run the System File Checker tool, and the progress will be displayed here. During the process, SFC will scan all the protected system files, and if any are found corrupted or missing, the tool will repair or replace them depending on the situation. Windows stores a cached copy of system files within its directory on the system drive, and that's where SFC fetches the new system files from. Even to identify possible corruption, it compares existing system files with their cached copies. Press Windows and R to open Run. Type app wiz.cpl, hit Enter, select the app you don't need anymore, click Uninstall, confirm the change, and follow the on-screen instructions to remove it. Press Windows plus S to open search, type Windows Memory Diagnostic, and click on the result. Next, click on Restart Now and check for problems. The utility will then scan your RAM sticks for issues. Press Windows and S keys to open Windows Search. Type View Advanced System Settings and click on the correct result. Under Performance, you click on Settings. Go to the Advanced tab and under Virtual Memory, click on Change. In the Virtual Memory window, untick the Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives checkbox and select the Custom Size option. We now have to fill out the initial size and maximum size fields for the virtual memory. Microsoft recommends setting the initial size as 1.5 times the physical memory or RAM, and the maximum size as 3 times the physical RAM. By physical RAM, I mean the total size of RAM modules added to your PC. Let's open up a calculator. For 8 gigabytes of physical RAM, the initial virtual memory size becomes 8 multiplied by 1.5 multiplied by 1024, since we need the value in megabytes. You see, it says MB in brackets. Let's put that in here. Now, for the maximum size, multiply this value by 2. That comes out to be 24,576. After entering the values for initial and maximum size for the page file, click on Set. Click on OK, and once you receive a confirmation, restart the PC to apply the changes. After a reboot, Windows will start utilizing the new virtual memory you just set up. Disable CPU overclocking. Go to BIOS and revert to default clock speeds to avoid system instability and overheating. Remove faulty hardware. Disconnect or replace malfunctioning RAM, hard drives, or GPU that may trigger frequent BSODs. Check for loose cables. Reseat RAM, GPU, and storage cables to ensure secure connections. Prevent overheating. Clean dust from fans, ensure good airflow, and monitor system temperatures using tools like HW Monitor. Address specific error codes. Errors like WHEA, uncorrectable error, page fault in non-paged area, and IRQL not less or equal often indicate hardware or memory issues. For more BSOD-specific fixes, check out our channel. We have covered solutions for many common blue screen errors. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you master Windows, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Windows Explained for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a Windows shortcut or fix. See you in the next one.